Good morning, everybody. What's up? It's the Eagle. So today it's day 3 of the parks, and I am here at Animal Kingdom. Now look, I did remember the stupid headphone adapter for this iPhone today, so I have this lav mic. Hope it sounds good. So the goal is, well, not really. I just want to take a lot of pictures and really enjoy Animal Kingdom. I got a Safari Fast Pass for round 1. I got lunch over at Sanaa, which I'm excited again. Like I say, I've never been there and heard nothing but good things about all the Animal Kingdom Lodge restaurants. So was here at Park Open. Now their rope drop thing is they have a bunch of parrots fly out over the crowd, which looks pretty cool. And then of course, I had to do Expedition Everest. Now I did it twice already with the standby because I walk fast. Shoot, I walk fast enough. I was hit rope drop. I stopped, took a picture with Mickey and Minnie, and then still was like one of the first people on the ride. I did it twice standby. I'm done with that. I have a fast pass right about now too, so I'm going to do that again. I've already been posting a lot of snaps and Instagrams and Facebook stories, whatever. So pictures from the ride. So yeah, we'll see where it goes. Talk to everybody later. Bye. What's up, everybody? So, just left Flights of Wonder. Now, that show was awesome, and they had my favorite bird. They had a bald eagle there. Now, I tried after the show to see if they would bring the eagle out to get a photo with, because y'all know how much I really want to get a picture with like a bald eagle on my arm. But no, didn't happen. But hey, I did get some really good photos of that bald eagle, as well as some other awesome birds that they had in the show. So I'm getting ready to head over to Animal Kingdom Lodge now for lunch. And then once I'm done there, I'm going to head back over here. Now, it's going to start getting busy, but I don't care. You know, if I'm trying to stay here the whole day and not go to other parks, that's one of the things I always do. Like, Animal Kingdom is far. That's why I don't come here as often. I usually stay at the studios, Epcot, Magic Kingdom, because they're close. They're easy to get to. Like, you could walk to Hollywood Studios from Epcot, and you can take the Epcot monorail to Magic Kingdom. So you see how easy that is. And then we'll see what we're gonna do here. I was gonna do Rivers of Light tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna stay that late. You know, got to start again with the work week tomorrow. So I hope everyone's having a good day. Now, at the time I'm filming this, we'll see if it gets uploaded. But it's Easter. Hope everyone's having, you know, a safe Easter with their family. And, well, let's see what the day's going. Talk to you guys later. What's up, everybody? So I'm leaving Sanaa. The food was amazing. Look at this. And the view was great. I'm definitely gonna have to try to make it back here for dinner. Oh, look. Look at these windows. See?
There's a turtle in here somewhere.
So I'm gonna be doing. You're gonna see a lot of pictures, and I'm gonna do like a video overview of Sanaa because, like I said, that food was awesome. So now I'm back to Animal Kingdom. Got the safari coming up. So and then I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna stay late because, like I said, it's busy. But we'll see what happens. All right. Talk to everybody later. What's up, everybody? The Eagle here. So I am at Tambu Lounge, which is, or sorry, not Tambu Lounge, Nomad Lounge at Animal Kingdom. Now this is by Tiffin's. Now I've never been here. Obviously, like I said, I haven't been to Animal Kingdom in a couple years, but this place is awesome. Kind of out of the way, kind of relaxing. I don't know if it's going to be that way once Pandora opens, because, hold on, I'll show you here. Let's see, hold on a second here. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that's going to be the bridge that leads into Pandora. But this quiet, out of the way place, probably going to get busy. Let's hope not. You know, one second. Having a beer. Now this one they said is brewed specially for this spot for Tiffin's Nomad Lounge. And then of course, look, charcuterie. I don't know how much I love charcuterie. And yes, I did have a nice hearty lunch over at Sanaa, which, you know, as much as I walk, I burn calories like crazy. So I eat a lot when I go to the parks. But hey, if anyone who knows me too, I don't eat a lot during the week, you know. So I'm not gonna stay late. You know, I don't know. I do more in, you know, 3 to 4 hours than most people do all day. You know, a lot of lazy people out there. So, you know, I can't stand just sitting around the house. It drives me nuts. These 3 days in the park's been great. I feel awesome. It's not worn me out. You know, I wake up, I was excited, you know, and then, you know, tomorrow it's going to be back to work. So I'm probably going to wrap this up here, and then I'll talk to you guys later. If you haven't already, like I keep saying, make sure you're following me on Instagram and Snapchat at CEagle19. Go like the Travel with the Eagle Facebook page. Also, too, both YouTube channels, the Travel with the Eagle and the Cyber Eagle 19 one. Make sure you like those. Click the bell so you get the alerts for whenever I'm uploading more videos. And just keep sending your feedback, and hope everybody has a great day. Have fun at work.